Have you ever felt like your whole world was falling apart? This is a story of Liam, a boy who had every reason to quit, but chose not to. And what happened next will inspire you. At just 17, Liam lost his father to illness. His mother worked 2 jobs to keep food on the table. Bills piled up, dreams faded, and every day felt heavier than the last. When his grades started slipping, teachers gave up on him. Friends distanced themselves. He was alone, drowning in fear and self-doubt. But one night, sitting alone in the dark, Liam remembered his father's words. Success isn't about never falling. It's about rising every time you fall. That one sentence sparked a fire inside him. From that day, Liam made a choice. He woke up before sunrise, studied for hours, worked part-time jobs, read every book he could find. While others slept, he worked. Months turned into years. His grades improved. Scholarships followed. Slowly, doors started opening that once seemed locked forever. Today, Liam is a successful entrepreneur, building a company that helps underprivileged youth chase their dreams. He became the hope for others who once stood where he did. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall. It's about how many times you rise. Like Liam, you have the power to rewrite your story, starting today. Thanks for watching our videos.